So guys, today I'm sharing with you these amazing alphabet book that is in the series of the 7-day book that I have created, and I've been uploading the videos. Today's book is all based on English and different ways of understanding alphabets with kids. This book is made for Rudra. He's a very sweet little boy. So I'm so glad I was able to create this book for him. And let's get going. Let's dive deep in and look at all the amazing activities that are stored in. All right, so the first activity says the cake is looking for alphabets C and K, find it and stamp it. So you have the cake, you have all the alphabets, and you have to find C and K. And as an example done, I have marked them with circle. You can ask your child to stamp it, put a manipulative, circle it, or just spot it. The next activity is look at the picture, find the alphabet, say the word aloud and connect. T is for tree, like that's the example done. E is for egg. D is for either dance or a dinosaur. F is for flower, so you have the flower. And you have all the alphabet stickers right here for the child to understand and see the similarity between the two and then connect them. The next one is let's spot all R's. Example is done. So I have put not too many alphabets here to make it very cluttered, very easy, and for the child to navigate easily and have that confidence of spotting and doing it. So one example is already done. By circling it, the child needs to find the other ones and then they have to circle it out. All done. Well, look at the pictures and connect them that belong together. So that's a hat and that's the hat. Now in this one, the three pictures and the three pictures here have something in common. So they need to see what is it that connects them together. This and this is a dessert, and the dessert goes together. A candy and a candy goes together. A hat and a hat, party hat, goes together here. So they are going to connect it. Trace and connect all the dots and make the objects reach to the alphabets. Here what I've done is I have taken three pictures and of course the representative alphabets with which the word starts with. We have to make sure that we are not overly doing the activities with the kids and we are gently and slowly introducing each activity over a period of time so that they enjoy the process. Like in my previous video, I had shown the maths one. I will be showing the other ones like I showed in my brain development one as well. There are all these different activities that either be combined on one day, like two books are done, like 2 pages from 2 different books can be done in one day, or you can have like a specific day where you're able to just do tracing and alphabet matching so the kids enjoy the process. Here again, the child can just use their the 2 fingers to trace, or just a pencil or a crayon, whatever you think. And even paints are great. It's a great fun activity for kids to look at the different images and connect with it. It's like parrot, map. Okay, find it, spot it, scream, oops, match it. So the child has to match the alphabets that are here on this side. So there's an S here, an S here, and I've done it as an example for the child to match. Definitely you can, if the child is already learning phonics, this is a great way of just revising phonics, or if they're just getting introduced to the alphabets by just looking at the picture. This is a great representation of showing of how the alphabets look similar, and it's a good way of just recognizing which alphabet looks like what twice. So there are 2 pages and there are a couple of ones that they have to match. All right, color all the D below in orange color. So the child has to find all the D's here and they have to color them in orange color. Again, 2 instructions given for one activity. One is to find the D and the other one is to find the orange color. So make sure that you provide the child with an orange color, and if you don't have it, definitely cut it out and put any other color that you need. If the child loves to stamp, definitely they can use a thumbprint, whatever works for you. Find the alphabets and connect them with colors. Again, a repetition of finding alphabets that look similar. We are trying to create a similarity, a matching kind of activity, so that the alphabets look similar and they know that they need to connect. So A and A, E and E, B and B, D and D, C and C. So they're not very far from each other for a reason, because it's the first time the child is doing activity like this. Easy for them to connect and feel happy of finishing the activity. Everyone's looking for a play date. Can you match them with the right pair? Example is done. So how are we finding the right pair? By looking at, these are the plants, these are water animals, these are the jungle animals, so they are paired together. In the same way, here we have fruit, we have food, we have birds, and we have a transport. So a great way of just introducing different sections and different pictures of how we connect each other and how do we pair them. Now look at these alphabets. Let's color each with 2 colors. So each alphabet is going to be colored in 2 ways, and I have P, I, K, U, H, T, O, M written in a beautiful way, and definitely can be colored. And if your child doesn't want to color, make sure they're either painting it or thumbprinting it, or trying and maybe pasting tissue. Anything can be added just to make the activity fun. Alphabet friends, match the same. So now what we have done is we have teamed up 2 alphabets together. A great way of looking at 2 of them together and then finding them here, like G and H, and then we have connected them here. An example is done. The letter or the alphabets are hiding in. Lift the flap and can you find them and match them? Let's see. That's an R. That's an F. That's a B. That's a B. We match it. So you can connect this and this together. So it's a great activity, and they are not very difficult to remove. The child can easily remove all of them and then match whatever works. But I have just used Post-its to create this amazing flap kind of an activity, which becomes very interactive with kids. Run and find objects, toys, fruits that matches or starts with the below letters. So this is a great opportunity for the child to run around in the house and find objects with T, R, C, B, D, and S. So that's it, guys. This was my English book, and this is great for kids age 3 to 4 or 5, kids who are ready to go to nursery, LKG, pre-KG, and even preschool. I hope you loved the video, and if you have any thoughts about it, make sure you leave a comment and make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'm so excited to share more amazing content with all of you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.